Soak your straws in water for about 1 hour before beginning. Use a cloth to weigh them down. When they bend without splitting, they are ready to use. Draw 6 equal lines on your cork meeting at the center. Your coaster will be 4 inches wide, smaller than the one shown in this video. Mark each line 1 inch from the center, as well as 1.5 inches from the center. Draw lines connecting them. Cut a length of embroidery floss measured from chest to fingertip. Split it lengthwise so that each piece has 2 strands. Tie 2 pieces of straw together in the center using a surgeon's knot, leaving a 3-inch tail. Hold the straw and the short string tail in your non-dominant hand. Add another piece of straw to the end of the pair and wrap the string tightly around all 3. Bend pieces of straw in half before adding them to the pile of straw and tightly wrapping them together. Bending helps them stay in place. Add the straws one by one. Once you have a total of 12 straws, knot the 2 tails of string tightly in the center using 2 surgeon's knots to keep them tight and secure. Place the center of the straws on the center of the piece of cork with a pin. Use pins to separate the straws so that 1 lies on each line and 2 are between each line. Use string to tie the 2 pieces of straw between each line on the first circle drawn on your cork, using 2 surgeon's knots to keep them tight and secure. Trim the tails of string after each knot and remove the pins around the first circle. Separate the 2 straws that you just tied together after each knot so that they lay next to the straight straws on the lines. Use pins to hold them in place along the second circle. Use string to tie the 3 pieces of straw on each line on the second circle drawn on your cork, using 2 surgeon's knots to keep them tight and secure. Trim the tails of string after each knot and remove the pins around the second circle and the center. Remove the straw from the cork. Use scissors to cut the straw after the last red knots as short or as long as you want. Cut a piece of string and tie it onto the star, and then knot it so that you can hang it up.